Welcome to day 3 of the letter O. It's time for us to color in our letter, and we're just going to use one color for this. But first you want to go through and erase your entire letter so that you have guidelines, but no pencil lead. As you're coloring, go through and draw in those lines with a slight taper towards the end, and make sure that you don't color in the little cutouts down below. The next thing we're going to add are little extra dots where even the paint has gone so fast that it's come off of these streaks. So you can go in and use those to lengthen some of your lines just with extra dots, or cover up some little pencil marks. One thing you want to be careful for though is not perhaps drawing all the way across or adding those marks where it will create difficulty for reading the letter. So add it on to just a few of the places. Make sure that you vary the size of your extra little dots. So here it's a dot and there I drew a tiny line. And you also want to make sure that you're still maintaining some randomness in the way that these are all spaced and also in their length. You can go in and do like maybe a dot here where there isn't any paint coming off, but it could still be creating a splatter. Now it looks like it is running really quickly and speeding along. Just by pulling out a few tapered lines, by creating cutouts on the inside and then adding some of these extra paint dots, you get a very vibrant, very quick O. Don't forget to share your work with the hashtag incyalphabet. That way it will motivate us not only to create, but also to create together.